If cosecant A minus cot A is equal to Q, show that Q square minus 1 by Q square plus 1 plus cos A is equal to 0. Given Q is equal to cosecant A minus cot A, Q square minus 1 is equal to cosecant A minus cot A whole square minus 1 is equal to cosecant A minus cot A whole square is equal to cosecant square A plus cot square A minus 2 cosecant A into cot A minus 1 is equal to cosecant square A minus 1 is equal to cot square A plus cot square A minus 2 cosecant A into cot A is equal to 2 cot square A minus 2 cosecant A into cot A. Take common 2 cot A into cot A minus cosecant A. Q square plus 1 is equal to cosecant A minus cot A whole square plus 1 is equal to cosecant square A plus cot square A minus 2 cosecant A into cot A plus 1 is equal to here 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A. Cosecant square A plus cosecant square A minus 2 cosecant A into cot A. Cosecant square A plus cosecant square A, 2 cosecant square A minus 2 cosecant A into cot A is equal to 2 cosecant A common, that is 2 cosecant A into cosecant A minus cot A is equal to, take minus common, that is minus 2 cosecant A into cot A minus cosecant A. LHS is equal to Q square minus 1 by Q square plus 1 plus cos A is equal to Q square minus 1 is equal to 2 cot A into cot A minus cosecant A divided by Q square plus 1 is equal to minus 2 cosecant A into cot A minus cosecant A plus cos A is equal to cot A minus cosecant A, cot A minus cosecant A cancel, 2 gets cancelled, that is minus cot A is equal to cos A by sin A into 1 by cosecant A equal to sin A plus cos A is equal to sin A cancel, that is minus cos A plus cos A is equal to 0 is equal to RHS. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS.